and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my packages from the week and then we open them together. We do swatches and we chat about the new makeup in the comment section. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Let's just jump in this week. The first box is from OFRA, and I actually remembered my knife. So anytime I remember my knife, you guys know that's a good time because it makes it easier on me. These videos always take me so long to film, and I just think it's because it takes me a while to just swatch everything, to pick up everything once it's in front of me. But they're some of my favorite videos because I loved just seeing the new makeup that's coming out, showing it to you guys. So this one again is from OFRA, and it actually looks like they have the products in the box right here. So it looks like we have some new lippies. It says these are launching on March 19th, so they are already available. These are their Flex Slick shades. Ooh, so let's see what they say. Flexible color, sleek, and shine. Ooh, so these are gonna be glosses. I love their liquid lipsticks, so that's kind of exciting. So we have 3 different colors. So this one here is the shade Buzz. I'll go ahead and swatch them so we can see. So here's what Buzz looks like. That one looks like a pretty nude, pinky kind of gloss. So let's give a swatch of that one. It actually kind of feels like a more whipped formula. So I'm not exactly sure if this is meant to be a gloss, so let's see what it says. Looks like these are gonna be a similar formula to their long-lasting liquid lipsticks. They're just gonna have a bit of a shine to them. So you can see that that definitely has a bit of a glossy feel to it. So we have 2 other ones. We have Urge, which is gonna be this one, and then we also have the shade Stretch, which I wanna swatch this one because this one looks like a more pure nude shade. Here's what that looks like. I do have a code with OFRA if you ever want to purchase anything from them. It is just MAKEUPMOLLY, and it will save you money at the checkout there. This color is so pretty. There's the color Surge. Yes, I love that. And then I'll show you guys the last one as well. And again, this one is Urge. I love the names on these, super cute. So this one's more of an orangey nude. And I'll go ahead and swatch this. I'm really excited to try out the formula of these because I do really enjoy OFRA's liquid lipsticks. So I bet I'll like this formula as well. So there's the 3rd swatch right there. Super cute. Thank you so much to OFRA for that package. All right, next box we got here is from Benefit. So this one is showing that they came out with new shades of their Hula bronzer, which is one of my favorite bronzers. So they now have Hula Caramel and Toasted, the Hula Toasted. So 2 deeper shades so that everyone has a chance to try out the formula of this. So they also sent in here, it looks like they sent me Hula Light and then also the original Hula. So I love the original Hula. It's one of my favorites. I went through, I think 2 of these. I love it so much. I've never tried the Hula Light though. I don't know if this is too light for me, but it actually might work. I'm kind of curious to try this one out because I've never tried it. I don't have any issues with the Hula one being too dark on me, but I would be curious to see how this one looks, so I'll have to test that one out. And I think that that's great that they are expanding their shade range on that. Okay, next up we got a box here from Sleek Makeup. All right, so it says, hi Molly, we're so excited to share Sleek Makeup's just launched products available at Ulta. Okay, so on the inside, it looks like we had an accident with some of the shades because a couple of them are actually busted. Quite a few of these are actually busted. That's a bummer. So it looks like they were some eyeshadows, but I don't even want to show you guys because they look all broken. Unfortunately, it looks like we had a not so nice carrier or something because quite a few, actually all of these. So all 4 of these ones are broken for sure, but I think I have 2. Actually, this one's broken too. Dang it. All right, we have one solo one that survives, but these are some just little individual eyeshadows. That's a bummer that they all came broken, but I think there are a few other products in here I can show you as well. I'm gonna set these ones aside because they're kind of making a mess everywhere. But we have some liquid highlights, which obviously I can dust these off and make these work. So we have some liquid highlighters, and it looks like we have 3 different shades of those. So there's kind of a pinky one, a true gold, and then also a deeper one, a bronzy one. And then we also have a couple of different lips. So these are their Shattered Glass Intense Glitter Effects Lip Toppers. How cool. Let me swatch. I want to swatch this lip topper and see what it looks like. I love lip gloss right now, so anything that's going to be shiny on top of my lips is going to be nice. This looks really pretty. So there's that. And then I'll show you guys a swatch of the more golden cream highlight as well because it looks really pretty. So give a little swatch of that. It actually looks like it's going to be an okay pumper. Sometimes I struggle with those. That one looks like it's actually gonna be kind of good. So I'll give you a swatch. This looks really pretty. There's that right there. Ah, perfect for summertime. I bet this would be so nice just like on, you know, like all over your body as well as just on your face. So cute. I'm so excited about this. Love Sleek. They have very affordable products as well. And as I said, you can find them at Ulta. All right, so our next box came over from Too Faced. I'm so excited. So they sent over the Pretty Mess collection. This is so cool. So this one is in collaboration with Erica Jane, and she came out with an entire collection. And I think that they put the whole thing in here. This is awesome. Let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions on it, because I do have the full collection here. But the first thing is the body shimmer. Packaging is so cute. It has the warning. Super cute. So we have the body butter. Also this one here. This is the How Many Blanks Do I Give? You know, she has that song. So let me actually pull this one out. I think this one is the highlighter of the collection, which I've seen this at Sephora. Look at the packaging. So cute. And it actually has the money sign. I don't even want to swatch it, but I'm going to because I have to, but it looks so pretty. I don't even want to swatch it. So I have two different swatches, one from the S and then one from the other part of the highlight. So you have kind of like two different ones. Ooh, those look pretty. I'm so excited I got this collection. And then also we have the Pretty Polite. This is a lip kit. So we have a lip gloss and a Housewife Pink lip liner in here. I am really excited to try all this stuff out. Maybe I will do, like I said, like a first impressions. We have the other lip kit here as well. Long-term lip plumpers. There's a lip plumper, a part of this collection. I want to see the palette. Where's the eyeshadow palette? Okay, so here is the palette. Again, really cute packaging on this whole collection for sure. So let me show you guys the palette because I'm most curious, I think, about this and that highlight because I was really excited to see what that highlight swatched like. So here is the packaging again. So fun, so cute. Yes, okay, so this is the inside of the palette. It definitely has more of like a mauve tone vibe to it for sure. Really pretty. It looks very natural, like wearable as well. So actually, I'm gonna swatch a few of the shades. I'll swatch a few of the shimmers. Shimmers almost look like they're kind of like glittery. I don't know if these are pressed glitter. I think a few of the shades are. Because it kind of looks like they are, so I'm going to swatch. Yeah, definitely the one is a glitter, and then they're like the two shimmers right there, and then the glitter there on the end. Super cute. Yeah, comment down below if you guys want to see me testing this entire collection out. I can try this one as well, the little puff here. Super cute. Thank you, Too Faced. Next package here came over from Purlisse. All right, so it says the new coconut oil silky body butter collection. Ooh, nice. So actually they came out with those ones with Candy Johnson. Coffee scent one, and then there is also a cranberry, which is here, and then we also have an orange blossom. So these all have different uses. So the orange blossom is going to help produce collagen. The cranberry helps fight and free radicals, and then the coffee rejuvenates and helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. That's great. So I'll be testing these out for sure. So it says that these are available now on Purlisse's site. Super cool. If you guys ever do want to shop anything on their website, I do have a code with them as well. I'll link it down below if you want to check these out. All right, so this next box, I'm not exactly sure who this one is from. It's actually from Sally Hansen again. Okay, we got a package from them. I think last week I opened it, and they sent some more polish. How cool. Okay, so this is their Miracle Gel. Miracle Gel Matte Top Coat. Yes, I love matte nails. Perfect. So here are all of the colors of the gel polishes. Cool. I love these more like vampier shades too. There are a lot of like deeper shades. The last package we got was all of like more like spring and Easter kind of a thing. So I like the fact that we have some variety in here. This one right here looks really, really pretty. It's kind of like a shimmery like champagne shade. And then I love that we have the matte top coat as well. Super cool. Thank you so much, Sally Hansen. I love getting nail polishes. All right, the next little package here is from Origins. Okay, so it says visibly diminished lines, pores, and uneven skin tones. That sounds amazing. So it has here that it's 4 weeks, 8 weeks, and 12 weeks. You're gonna see a difference with these products. So let's see what they are. So we have the Retinol Night Moisturizer. Sounds amazing. And then we also have their Plant-Scription Anti-Aging Power Serum as well. Origins has some of my favorite skincare products. And then it looks like they sent over, this is a 12-month subscription card at sleep. So this is a 12-month subscription card for Purlisse, Sleep the Push of a Button. Huh, it must be just like one of those like sleeping apps or something, I'm guessing. One of those ones to like help you sleep, you know? Or to like help you fall asleep. And then in here, let's see what's in the little pouch here. So in the little pouch, I think these are earmuffs. Is that what they are? Like little earphone or earplugs? Is that what they are? I think that's what these are. They have like little tassels. I'm pretty sure. I don't know what else they would be. I'm pretty sure that's what those are, but super cute. Thank you very much, Origins. And I'm definitely gonna try these out. They sound like they have some amazing ingredients in them as well. All right, so just 2 boxes left. This next one is from SKINFIX. So inside of here, we have their hand repair cream. Yes, so this is a hand repair cream clinically proven to treat eczema, dry, and cracked skin. This is perfect for me right now. My hands, my body in general is just so over winter. I just need hydration so bad. So I will for sure be trying this out and testing it out. I'm so ready for spring. We had the first day of spring a few days ago now, and since then I've been like, hello, warm, like let me have warmth. It's like rainy, dreary out here today. I'm so ready for warm, but thank you SKINFIX for that package there. And the last box this week came over from DHC. So on the box it says DHC X Ulta. So these are gonna be products that are gonna be available at Ulta. Let's open it up here. So it says, get to know your Japanese beauty and explore some of the hottest J Beauty bestsellers coming to Ulta Beauty in early March. Ooh, so I wonder if they are available yet. I'll link them down below in Ulta if they are. So we have their Deep Cleansing Oil, which is a really, really good cleanser from them. Also in here, we have their Olive Virgin Oil Facial Moisturizer. That sounds really good. I love their spray toner. That's my favorite thing that they have. I use it every single day. We also have the Extra Nighttime Moisture, so a facial moisturizer here. And then we also have the Concentrated Eye Cream. So it says that this is gonna support hydration, which again, hydration is all I need in my life. And then we also have the last thing here, which is a Collagen All-in-One Gel. So I think that this one is a tone, moisture, and brighten skin all in one. Awesome. So this is like a cream in this one here. Super sweet. I love the fact that they are doing this little collaboration and having items now in Ulta. I think that's amazing. And like I said, if you ever get the chance to check out the spray toner that they have, I highly recommend that one. It's so good. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup products that have launched. Let me know down in the comment section what products you guys are most excited about, anything you'd like to see reviews on, first impressions on. Drop that down in the comment section. Do not forget to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Big thank you to all of the brands for the packages this week. I will see you guys next week. Bye, friends.